Gerd, is known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, which is called acid reflux. This is a digestive disease in which stomach acid or bile irritates the food pipeline. This can be caused when after swallowed food travels down the esophagus. It stimulates cells in the stomach to produce acid and pepsin known as an enzyme, which aids digestion. A band of muscle at the lower part of the esophagus, called the lower esophageal sphincter, which acts as a barrier to prevent the backflow of stomach contents into the esophagus. So, gastroesophageal reflux occurs when the lower esophageal sphincter barrier is somehow compromised. Gastroesophageal reflux disease is a condition in which the acidified liquid content of the stomach backs up into the esophagus. It damages the lining of the esophagus, thereby causing inflammation. Symptoms of Gerd are heartburn, regurgitation, nausea. Other symptoms are chronic cough, ear pain. Gerd can be treated with these are lifestyle changes and diet. The main factors that leads to acid reflux disease are 1. Poor clearance of acid or food from the stomach. 2. Excessive acid in the stomach. 3. Delayed emptying the foods in the stomach. The group of foods one needs to avoid with Gerd are acidic citrus fruits. Acidic fruits can aggravate symptoms of Gerd and can increase acid reflux in one's stomach. Examples are oranges, lemon, pineapple, and limes. These are very acidic, especially when you have Gerd. The second group are caffeine. Intake of caffeine when you have Gerd can worsen the symptoms of acid reflux and increase the acidity of gastric secretions. Caffeine can relax the lower esophageal sphincter known as LES by triggering the acid reflux and making it worse. Examples are caffeinated coffee, soft drinks, and energy drinks. 2. Chocolate, which contains caffeine and cannot be taken by a person who has Gerd because it contains caffeine and theobromine, which trigger acid reflux and cause heartburn by relaxing the lower esophageal sphincter. The third group are spicy foods. They contain a compound called capsaicin, which can slow gastric processing, leading to delayed gastric emptying of foods in the stomach. Some studies have suggested that spicy foods can cause abdominal pain and heartburn. One study has also shown that consuming foods that contain chili can slow the rate of digestion and irritates an already inflamed esophagus, which can worsen heartburn symptoms. Examples of foods that contain capsaicin are hot sauces, red chili, turmeric, and other peppers as well. The fourth group of foods are high-fat foods. Fatty foods generally lower pressure on your LES and delay stomach emptying. They are very difficult to digest, so they left in the stomach longer than any other type of foods. So, with that delay of stomach emptying, they sit in the stomach for a long time, boosting your risk of causing acid reflux. It is important to note that this does not apply to healthy foods which are rich in fats. It only applies to fried foods that are high in fats. Examples of high-fat foods are fatty meats, heavy cream, cream made from fat, and liquids from unhomogenized milk, butter, fried foods, and fast foods. 2. Tomatoes. They are acidic, which contains two types of acids known as malic and citric acid that trigger heartburn and also worsen acid reflux. When you consume tomato-based products, your stomach produces gastric acid to break down foods sitting in your stomach. However, this can cause a burning sensation in the chest. Examples are tomato-based sauce and pizza. 3. Onions. Onions, especially raw ones, are common trigger for heartburn. Excessive consumption of it can induce heartburn through its ability to relax the LES. It also contains fermentable fiber, which can cause belching, which may worsen acid reflux. 4. Mint. Mints such as peppermint and spearmint are often thought to soothe digestive conditions. However, there is a study that shows that mint can cause irritation of the esophagus and can make your heartburn worse. 5. Salt. Excessive consumption of salty foods can increase acid reflux. It is possible that people who consume salty foods, fried foods and fatty foods are likely to increase the risk of acid reflux. Healthy high-fats foods, which can be good for people having acid reflux, are peanut butter, avocado, cheese, fish, nuts, and whole egg. Research highlighted that eating eggs does not negatively impact your cholesterol levels because it is a rich source of protein. The fifth group are 1. Beverages. They contain sodas and carbonated beverages that are common causes of heartburn. Research suggests that these beverages may relax the esophageal sphincter by increasing the acidity of stomach acid. Examples are sodas, soft drinks, beer, and some wines. 2. Alcohol. Consumption of alcohol can also worsen the symptoms of Gerd. Examples are beer, wines, which contain alcohol. In addition, alcoholic beverages, especially wine and beer, can increase your amount of stomach acid and may worsen acid reflux. The best foods that can aid in acid reflux are 1. Ginger. This is a natural remedy for nausea and vomiting. 2. Bananas and melons. These are fruits that are naturally low in acid and can help to reduce acid reflux. Green veggies. Naturally, green veggies are low in fat, acid and sugar. Examples include green beans, broccoli, spinach, and celery. 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is packed with fiber, which is linked to lowering the risk of acid reflux. 5. Grains and potatoes. Research has found that consuming grains and potatoes can lower the risk of acid reflux disease. Now, I will share you some effective home remedies that will cure your GERD permanently. They are 1. Warm water. Drinking 2 glasses of warm water before breakfast is important. Drinking warm water will perfectly aid the treatment of acid reflux disease, because intake of warm water before breakfast will flush the vault of your stomach and increase the blood flow in it. 2. Curds. Curds is a wonderful food for people who are suffering from acid reflux disease. Curd is a food obtained from milk which has high amount of calcium that prevents the increase of acid in the stomach. 3. Baking soda. A spoonful of sodium bicarbonate can help relieve the burning sensation of heartburn caused by acid reflux. You can mix half teaspoon of baking soda with water to help you get relieved. Note this must not be taken daily. 4. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is known for its antibacterial and helps in treating acid reflux disease. It is known as wonder plant. It is so effective when used to treat ulcers, as well as acid reflux. Appropriate consumption of aloe vera gel can help the reduction of acid reflux disease. 1 teaspoon of its gel twice can be taken daily, which is a natural remedy for acid reflux disease. This will help in getting rid of unwanted acids and also reduce inflammation in the esophagus. That is why taking 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel before meals is recommended. 5. Cabbage juice. Drinking cabbage juice can help to reduce or treat acid reflux disease because it is high in mineral content. It is also an excellent source of vitamin C and K, which can help in fighting free radicals in the stomach. Cabbage juice can be obtained when the sliced cabbage is boiled with water. Taking this regularly, 2 to 3 glasses daily, can help treat acid reflux disease. Carrot juice is also known as a way to treating acid reflux disease.
Carrot juice contains natural alkaline components, which helps to neutralize excess stomach acid that causes heartburn symptoms. It is known for its high levels of fiber, which can promote regularity and boost digestive health as a whole because it is full of carotenoids. Carrot juice is an ideal option to soothe heartburn. In carrot juice, alkaline components and vitamin A help to neutralize acid and reduce gastric inflammation. Carrots are also a good source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which is great for aiding digestion. So, drinking carrot juice 30 minutes before a meal can improve digestion and help in treating acid reflux disease. These home remedies are proven to be effective in treating gastroesophageal reflux disease. Hope this video was helpful. Please do not forget to like this video and share this video. I would love to hear your thoughts on this video. Please do support this channel by clicking on the subscribers button. Thanks.